Hi there, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be talking about how to fix TikTok Shop product not available. Without wasting any time, let's jump into it. So if you have already tried linking and unlinking your account in TikTok Seller Center and your products are still not available here, what we can do is to contact TikTok support. So go to TikTok, then go to your profile. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Then select Settings and Privacy. After that, just scroll down and when you see the Report a Problem option, just tap on it. Then when you're here, just scroll down again and tap on Chat with us. So here you'll be able to reach out to TikTok's help desk, which is a chat support, so you will most likely receive a real-time response from them. So just create a message like this. And once you're done, just tap on the send button. When you have sent a report, just wait for their response and follow the instructions that they're gonna give you to solve the problem. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for joining us today and see you in our next video.